Hello everyone, hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Previously you have studied Nani Walks to the Park. Today I am here to teach you chapter of your English textbook. So kids, open your book and take out page number 45. Today we will study chapter 6. The title of the chapter is The Man Cub. Children, this story is adapted from very famous storybook of children, that is Jungle Book, which is written by Rudyard Kipling. A movie is also made on it and a series is also run on Cartoon Network. You must have seen it, the Jungle Book, but if you have not, please go and visit after this video. You will surely enjoy it. In this story is set in a jungle. It revolves around a human baby and animals of jungle. I am very excited about this story to see how human baby lives in jungle and what is his name. Let's start our chapter. Okay. Chapter 6, The Man Cub. It was a quiet evening in the jungle. So how was the evening? Very quiet. The wolf family was resting in their cave. So who was resting in the cave? The wolf family. Father wolf had just woken up from sleep. So who was sleeping? Father wolf. Mother wolf was lying with her 4 cubs and mother wolf is resting in cave with her 4 cubs. So children, who all are there in the wolf family? Father wolf is there, mother wolf is there and 4 cubs. That's when they heard the tiger's angry roar. So at that time what they heard? The angry roar of tiger. Children, mark the word cubs. C-U-B-S, cubs. Cubs is baby animal. Who are cubs? Baby animals. And what is the meaning of roar? Roar is a sound made by lion and tiger. Okay? Let's move. I wonder what has made him so angry, said mother wolf. So mother wolf is saying that what made him so angry? I wonder. Wonder means to think. So mother wolf is thinking, what made him so angry? What made tiger so angry? They walked up to the mouth of the cave. Now mark the word mouth of the cave. Children, mouth of the cave is the opening where you enter the cave. Okay? The bushes in front of the cave moved. So bushes are there in front of the cave. So whenever someone enters the cave, it moves. Father wolf and mother wolf stepped back a little. So when they saw somebody entering, what they do? Father wolf and mother wolf stepped back. They moved back. Suddenly, a tiny human baby crawled out of the bushes. Mark the word tiny and crawled. Okay? Tiny means small. Suddenly a small human baby crawled out of the bushes. Crawled meaning to move on hands and knees. Baby is so small. Baby can't walk. So what he is doing? He is crawling. Okay. So a small human baby crawled out of the bushes. So who came out of the bushes? A small human baby. He grabbed a low branch and tried to stand up. Mark the word grabbed. So what he did? He can't stand up on his own. He's a small baby now. So he tried to hold the branches. Grabbed means to hold something very tightly. So he tried to hold the low branch and tried to stand up. A man cub, said Father Wolf. And what did Father Wolf say? That he is a man cub. He is a baby of a man. Is that a man cub? Said Mother Wolf. I have never seen one before. Oh, how little he is. So Mother Wolf is saying, is that a man baby? Is that a human baby? I have never seen one before that. She has never seen any small human baby before, and she is very excited to see him, and he's saying, oh wow, how little he is. The baby looked up at them and laughed. Baby is not scared of them. He's happy there, so what he did? He laughed. Sher Khan must be after the man cub. Sher Khan must be after the man cub. Mark the word after. So, who is after the man cub? After here means to catch. When somebody wants to catch someone, that means he is after that person. So, here Sher Khan wants to get the man cub. Let's take him inside before he gets here, said Mother Wolf. So Mother Wolf is saying, let's get him inside the cave and protect him before the Sher Khan comes here. Inside the cave, the baby crawled between the sleeping wolf cubs and lay down. Just then, Sher Khan reached the mouth of the cave. So, what is baby doing inside the cave? He is happy there with all the wolf family. What he did? He crawled between the wolf cubs and take rest there. So, at that time what happened? Sher Khan reached the mouth of the cave. What do you need, Sher Khan? Asked Father Wolf, walking towards Sher Khan with angry eyes. So, Father Wolf is very angry on seeing Sher Khan, and he asked, what do you need? A man cub came this way, said Sher Khan. His parents have run away, so give him to me. Sher Khan is saying that maybe a man cub came here. I have seen that his parents have ran away. So now that baby belongs to me, give him to me. The man's cub is ours now, said Father Wolf. Father Wolf is also angry. He said, no, that man cub is ours now. No, it's mine. The tiger roared in anger. So tiger is very angry and he's roaring that no, it is mine. Mother Wolf leaped forward. Mark the word leaped forward. Leaped forward means to jump high over something. So here Mother Wolf is very angry. She leaped forward on tiger, on Sher Khan, and stood in front of Sher Khan. The man's cub is mine. You cannot kill him. He will live with our pack. Now go away. Now mark the word pack. So here Mother Wolf is also very angry. She leaped forward on Sher Khan and told him, no, the man cub is mine now. You cannot kill him. Mother Wolf is very soft-hearted. She said, no, you can't take the man cub. Now the man cub belongs to me. We will keep him here safe with our pack. Pack is group of wolf. Okay. Sher Khan growled. Then he turned around and left. Mark the word growled. So Sher Khan, what he did? He made a low, angry sound. Then he turned around and left, because he can't help, he is helpless, he can't do anything, everybody is there to protect the man cub, so he turned and left. Father Wolf said to Mother Wolf, the cub must be shown to the pack, only they can tell us if he can live with us. So, Father Wolf is discussing with Mother Wolf that the cub must be shown to all the wolf of the jungle, to all the pack. Only they can tell us that is baby can live with us or not. Okay, whenever something happens in your family, you also discuss with all the members of the family now. That's how Father Wolf wants to discuss with all the wolf of the jungle. Okay, she said, smiling at the baby. Let's call him Mowgli. The baby smiled back at her. So here Mother Wolf said, okay, let's call him Mowgli. Who named him Mowgli? Mother Wolf. Mother Wolf named the man cub Mowgli. and baby is very happy there. Okay, he's enjoying among them, so he smiled back at her. That night, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. So, what happened that night? Father Wolf, Mother Wolf and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. All the wolves of the jungle. Baloo, the brown bear, and Bagheera, the wise panther, was also there. So, who else were there? Baloo the bear and panther. Okay, what is the name of the panther? Bagheera. Okay, Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center. So, what did Father Wolf do? He pushed the Mowgli in the center among all of them to see how the baby is. Baby Mowgli laughed and began to play with rocks. So here baby Mowgli is happy. What he started doing? He started playing with rocks because he don't know what elders are talking. He is happy there and enjoying his time. Okay. The leader of the wolf pack asked, should the man cub stay with us? Here the leader is the head of the wolf. What he do? He guides them. So he is asking that should the man cub stay with us? Baloo said, yes, I will teach him all about the jungle. All are very excited about the baby. So Baloo, who is Baloo? The brown bear. He said, yes, I will teach him all about the jungle. Then Bagheera spoke. Who is Bagheera? A wise panther. Yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack. Bagheera said, okay, let him be the part of the wolf pack. Let him be the family of wolf. The wolves agreed with. Mark the word. The wolves agreed with. Mark the word agreed with. Agreed with means when you are okay with it, when you are ready to do it. Okay. The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera. So, wolves are happy with the decision made by Baloo and Bagheera. Who is Baloo and Bagheera? Baloo is a brown bear and Bagheera is a wise panther. And that is how Mowgli became a part of the wolf family. So children, this is the story of Mowgli and this is how he became the part of a wolf family. Our chapter is over now. Now we will discuss difficult words. Okay, let's start our difficult words. Our first word is cubs on page number 45. C-U-B-S, cubs. Then roar, R-O-A-R, roar. Mouth of the cave, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. O-F, off. T-H-E, the. C-A-V-E, cave, mouth of the cave. Then tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny. Crawled, C-R-A-W-L-E-D, crawled. Then grabbed, G-R-A-B-B-E-D, grabbed. A man's cub, A M-A-N apostrophe S, man's cub, C-U-B, cub, a man's cub. Then turn to page number 46. In this, A-F-T-E-R, after. forward, leaped forward. P-A-C-K, pack. Growled. G-R-O-W-L-E-D, growled. Then on page number 47, agreed with. A-G-R-E-E-D, agreed. W-I-T-H, with, agreed with. Children, these are the difficult words. Learn them, okay? Now, I'll give you bookwork. So, children, open page number 48. Question A, tick the correct option. Number 1, when Mowgli saw Father Wolf and Mother Wolf for the first time, he, options are started crying, laughed, played with some rocks. So, what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option B, laughed. Children, put tick in the box in front of option B, laughed. Number 2, Sher Khan wanted to, options are kill Mowgli, live with Mowgli, return Mowgli to his human parents. So, what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option A, kill Mowgli. Put tick in front of option A. Number 3, Mowgli was named by, options are his human parents, the wolf pack, Mother Wolf. Correct option is option C, Mother Wolf. Put tick in front of option C. Number 4, which two animals spoke to let Mowgli be a part of the wolf pack? Options are option A, Father Wolf and Mother Wolf. Option B, the leader of the wolf pack. Option C, Bagheera the panther and Baloo the bear. So, correct option is option C, Bagheera the panther and Baloo the bear. So, put tick here, okay? Now, open page number 49, question B. Which of these are true about baby Mowgli? Tick all correct answers. So, some sentences are given to you. You have to read them and tell which one is correct for baby Mowgli. Okay, let us read. Option A, Mowgli got easily scared. Option B, Mowgli was a happy child. Option C, Mowgli missed his parents. Option D, Mowgli was not afraid of anyone. So, correct sentences for Mowgli are option B, Mowgli was a happy child. Yes, he was a very happy child. And option D, Mowgli was not afraid of anyone. He was not afraid of anyone. He always smiled. Now, children, open page number 54. Complete 3 lines each about these characters from the story. So, children, you have to complete the lines about different characters of the story. So, let us see. Number 1, Mowgli. Mowgli is a human baby. Who is Mowgli? Mowgli is a human baby. Number 2, he will live with the dash. So, Mowgli will live with the answer is the wolf family. Number 3, he is dashed. So, he is a happy baby. Mowgli is a happy baby. Okay. Now, we will read about Sher Khan. Sher Khan is a tiger. He is angry. Okay. He wants to kill Mowgli. Okay. So, Sher Khan is a tiger and he is very angry because Mother Wolf and Father Wolf are not ready to give baby Mowgli to him. He wants to kill Mowgli. Okay. Now, we will read about Mother Wolf. Okay. Mother Wolf has 4 cubs. She is not afraid of Sher Khan. Yes, she is not afraid of Sher Khan. That's why she leaped forward and tell him to go away. She gives Mowgli his name. Who named Mowgli? Mother Wolf. So, she gives Mowgli his name. Okay. Copy work. first we will new words of this chapter. Number 1, R-O-A-R, roar. Number 2, C-R-A-W-L-E-D, crawled. Number 3, L-E-A-P-E-D, leaped. Number 4, G-R-O-W-L-E-D, growled. Number 5, A-G-R-E-E-D, agreed, W-I-T-H, with, agreed with. Number 6, W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. Okay. Word meaning. Number 1 is forward. Meaning of forward is to the front. Number 2, grabbed. Meaning of grabbed is took strongly. Okay. Number 3 is tiny. Meaning of tiny is very small. Okay. Make sentences. Number 1 is around. There is a fence around my house. Underline the word around. Okay. Now number 2, angry. She got very angry with the children. Underline the word angry. Number 3, parents. We should obey our parents. Kids, underline the word parents. Okay. Answer the questions. Question 1 is, why was Sher Khan the tiger angry? Answer is, Sher Khan the tiger was angry because he couldn't find the human baby. Why is Sher Khan angry? Because he couldn't find the human baby. Okay. Now question 2. According to Sher Khan, what happened to Mowgli's parents? Answer is, according to Sher Khan, Mowgli's parents had run away. So, what happened to Mowgli's parents? Mowgli's parents had run away. Okay, children? Now, question 3. Why did Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decide to keep Mowgli? Answer is, Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decided to keep Mowgli because they wanted to save him from Sher Khan. So, why did Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decide to keep Mowgli? Because they wanted to save him from Sher Khan. Okay, children? Now, I hope children you have understood. Thank you.